Join me on a journey from a standard SharePoint form like this to a modern user-friendly interface with smart functionalities. No coding, but natively integrated into SharePoint. Let's go! Does this look familiar? You open a SharePoint form and you're greeted by a long, overwhelming list of fields. No structure, no clarity. Your users lose motivation before they even start typing. Changing this requires a lot of custom code. To create forms faster and easier, use the Skybow Form Designer. This tool converts SharePoint forms into clear, modern and user-friendly interfaces. Drag and drop fields to your desired location on the form. Use tabs to group fields and form controls by topic and avoid overwhelming users. Create multi-column layouts to keep your forms way shorter. You'll get fantastic results in just a few minutes. Another challenge. Everything looks the same. SharePoint forms often feel generic, far from your brand, far from your identity. That's why the Skybow Forms Designer makes it as easy to customize the design of text, buttons, tabs, and fields as it is to edit the layout in Microsoft PowerPoint. You can individualize colors, the form of buttons, the font size of your text. You're able to customize every detail of your form until it fits your corporate identity. Make SharePoint look and feel like a professional business app. With Excel, paper forms, or other tools, there is a common security issue. Everyone sees everything. With Skybow, you control exactly who sees what. Show or hide fields. Enable or disable inputs based on role, status, or previous entries. This allows you to customize visible and enable criteria to suit your needs. Users only see what's relevant to them. Even if forms are well structured and the visibility is clearly regulated, errors can still happen during data entry. That's why Skybow offers various options to help users enter data correctly. Initial values save time when filling out forms. For example, the name or email address of the logged-in user can be automatically entered. Calculated fields prevent errors in manual calculations. Marking fields as required based on dynamic conditions help to obtain the needed information in every situation. Validations check the entries before the form is saved and notify the user if a correction is necessary. Your forms think ahead, users provide the right data, and your teams save hours of cleanup work. In reality, your data lives in many places: lists, libraries, site collections. Without connections, every form becomes a copy and paste challenge. Instead of simple input fields, use lookups in Skybow. This allows users to automatically access information from other lists and libraries when filling out the fields. You can create these quickly, easily, and without any coding using a low-code wizard. Users don't copy information, they simply select it. No duplicate entries, no errors. Once someone submits a form, the manual work begins. Creating documents, sending emails, updating statuses, notifying colleagues. With Skybow, you automate all of this right from within the form. An entire workflow can be behind a button. Generate documents, send notifications, run approvals, trigger API calls. Use the pre-configured Skybow actions, which you can turn into your custom automation actions with just a few parameters in your low-code wizard. Your processes run automatically, reliably, and consistently. Imagine your next SharePoint form isn't a time-consuming, annoying task with lots of trial and error when coding, but the beginning of an automated, streamlined business process built within minutes. That's exactly what the Skybow Forms Designer delivers. Book your individual demo now and see what's possible.